how are you today? I hope you are doing well. Today we're gonna make a review for the last two lessons. Let's start it. Okay, if we have 10 plus 5, the answer is what? Can you guess? Did you say 15? Yeah, of course, it's right. And what if we have 15 minus 5? Can you guess now? Did you say 10? Yeah, interesting. It's right. Can you see anything here? Any interesting thing? We have 10, 5, and 15 in the first addition sentence. And we have 15, 5, and 10 in the second subtraction sentence. Can you see that? It's interesting, right? So the question now is there any relation between addition and subtraction? Yeah, of course, this is called related facts. Let's talk about it more. Related addition and subtraction, page number 69. Here, if we have a train of 3 yellow cubes, and a train of 4 red cubes. If we put these trains together, we will have what? Can you guess? 3 yellow cubes and 4 red cubes. We will have a train of 7 cubes. Excellent. Can you write the addition sentence now on your notebook? Can you guess? It should be like this. 3, this is the first part, plus 4, this is the second part, and equals 7, this is the whole, okay? So, now, again, if we have a train of 7 cubes, and then we remove 3 yellow cubes, like this. We remove. What's the meaning of remove in math? It's minus, right? So, can you write the subtraction sentence here? It should be like this. 7 minus 3, 7 which is whole, minus 3 which is the first part, equals the second part which is 4, right? Excellent. So, now, again, what number is being subtracted from? It should be the whole, which is 7 in our example. And what number is being subtracted, which is the first part here? And in our example, it should be 3. And the last question, what number is the difference? It's the result of this subtraction process, which is 4. Okay, now please check your answers in your book. It should be like this, okay? Next page, which page number 17 in your book. If we have this train of cubes, 5 green cubes plus 4 yellow cubes, we will get, can you guess? It's 9, right? Okay. And we can use these three numbers to make a subtraction process. Okay, like if we have 9 as a whole minus one part, which is 4 here, we can say the whole minus 4 or the whole minus 5, because 4 is a part and 5 is a part also. In subtraction process, we subtract a part from the whole, like here 9 minus 4 equal should be the other part, which is here in our example is 5. And also we can say 9 minus 5, and it will be equal 4, which is the other part. Here we have 3 different facts for the same 3 numbers. In Interesting, right? Let's see the next exercise. Here we have a train of red and yellow cubes. All of them are 13 cubes, and we have 6 red cubes as you see here. You can count up them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 red cubes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 yellow cubes. And the sum is what? It should be the whole, which is 13. Would you like to count up them again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the whole is 13 and the first part is 6. The second part is 7. Okay, we can make another 2 facts for subtraction like this. We can write 13, which is the whole, minus 1 part. We can say minus 6 or minus 7 like here, and then we will have the other part. If we say 13 minus 6, we will have 7 as a difference, and if we say 13 minus 7, we will have 6 as a difference. Okay, here you can check your answers. Okay, let's see the next exercise. We have 5 plus 7. Simply we can add 5 to 7 and we will get what? Can you guess? Yes, it's 12. And the next related fact, we use the same numbers here. We have 12 minus 7. 12 is the whole, minus 7, which is the first or the second part of this addition sentence. And we will get, can you guess, without use fingers or thinking to get the answer? Yes, it simply should be the other part, which is 5. Okay? Like this. And what about the next one? If we have 12 minus 5, the whole minus the first part, we will get what? Can you guess? Without use fingers or any mental addition or subtraction. Can you guess? It should be 7. Right, excellent. Okay, now what about the next exercise? Simply we have 5 plus 6. We can add them simply to get 11. And these two related facts, we can say 11 minus 6. Simply we will get 5, which is the third number in the first addition sentence, like this. And the last fact related to the first addition sentence is 11 minus 5. We will get the third number here, which is 6. And in the last exercise, we have 7 plus 4. We will get 11. And the first addition, the first related fact, 11 minus 4, we will get simply 7 because it's the third number we should use here. And the last fact is 11 minus 7, we should have 4, like this. It's interesting, right? And in page number 71 in your book, please try to solve all these problems by yourself. I think almost all of you solve them. And here you can check all your answers, okay? Because it's a revision. Now, and also the same for page number 72. And you can check your answers here if you miss any one of them. Now, let's start to review the second lesson, which is missing addends. Look to the first domino here. Here we have only 4 dots. How many dots do we need to draw to have 9 dots in all? Because here the sum, as you see, is 9. Here we have only 4. How many dots do we need to draw to have 9 dots in all? Can you guess? You can use your pencil to draw dots here until you get 9. Yes, it should be 5 because 4 plus 5 equal 9. And what about the next example? If we have 2 dots and we should have as a total of 8 dots in all. How many dots do we need? Did you say 6? Yes, it's like this because 2 plus 6 is equal 8. What about the next exercise? Here we have 3 dots. How many dots do we need to draw to get 12 dots? Did you say 9? If so, you are genius. And the next example, we have 4 plus what equal 8. Did you say 4 also? Yes, excellent. And the next and the last example here or exercise, we have 5 dots plus what equal 10. Did you say 5? Yeah, it is. So now let's talk about the next page, which is 76. Now please open your next page, which is 76 in your book. Again, what does missing addend mean to you? Can you guess? Did you say the missing number in an addition number sentence? It's like this. Like this example, 9 plus what? Here we have a missing addend or missing number in an addition number sentence. Equal what? We have to know what this missing number to complete the addition sentence. Here we have 9 plus 6 equal 15. 6 is the missing addend. Okay, it's very simple, right? So now try to solve the next exercise by yourself. I think almost all of you solved these questions and you can check your answer here. The same for the next page. You can solve all of these by yourself and check them later. Okay, thanks for watching. Grade 2. Goodbye.